This is a 2008 Land Rover Range Rover. It has a 4.2-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a cooled passenger seat, a low-tire pressure indicator, a premium audio system, satellite radio, an air suspension, a supercharger, a locking rear differential, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 56,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.